Hello everyone, I am Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. So in today's video, I am going to be taking you through multiple methods with which you can easily replace the art in your frame to give a new look to them. I will call the first method the gift wrap method. This is a very simple method. Just cut the sheet in the size of the frame and you are done. You can use contrasting sheets or sheets in same color palette. I will call second DIY the newspaper method. So like the first method, this method also requires no drawing skills. You can use any newspaper or any old novel or any textbook which you no longer use. I will be making a base with this. I am using 4-5 sheets from an old novel which I don't read anymore. I am cutting these pages with the help of a paper knife, or you can do same thing with the help of a scissor. Make sure to remove the margin of the page neatly. After cutting, paste them in a fashion in which the lines of each cutout is well connected. Now because I don't have this big page for my frame, I have used 5 to 6 pages. You can use single page also if it fits your frame. Now take plain contrasting sheet and do cutouts which interest you. You can do anything of your choice and just stick them. Do not use any printed sheet as print on print will defeat the purpose. I have made cutout from black sheet of 4 different size tones balancing on each other. Keep working on placement of cutouts till you feel satisfied with your design. And you are done. I have placed 4 uneven corners to the pattern with same black sheet. Now the third method is called the fabric method. In this method you can repurpose any old fabric. In my case I am using an old cushion cover. Or you can buy cloth cutouts which are easily available at cheap prices in your local market. After cutting the cloth in the size of frame, seal it with stapler gun, or you can paste also with the help of glue. Make sure to iron the cloth before framing. If you are stapling, make sure you tighten the cloth before stapling. And this is how it looks after framing. Now the fourth method is called the Nordic Art. In this method you cut pieces of paper and layer them in any shape. For the base I am using a wallpaper from an old DIY. Now I will use another contrast color paper to make some mountain, birds, sun and grass. And that's how it looks after completion. Fifth method is called Ushibana. It is the art of using pressed flowers and other botanical material. Here I am using a beautiful printed paper bag for the base. You can create so many patterns in this method by using single or multiple botanical material. I will show you how a clustered flower and a beautiful paper base can transform your frame entirely within minutes. You can place all these DIYs on wall or you can style them on your side cabinets.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my.
I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.